This biker said that the rider involved was not part of their group. He joined them unexpectedly while riding on the highway, and the incident happened shortly after.
Obviously not. I have a lot of respect for bikers on the road.
Obviously
no. First of all, I need you to calm down. I need you to calm down. You parked way too close to this car. This is not my car.
It's all on video.
It was not. That was not fair. I was in the front. There's a camera watching you right here at the bakery. There's a camera watching you. There's a camera watching you.
The driver crossed over double yellow lines, forcing the biker to react. The biker tried to avoid the vehicle, but the driver continued forward. Everyone makes mistakes from time to time, but how a person reacts to that mistake shows whether it was honest error or careless behavior. After being cut off and receiving no apology from the driver, this biker decided to follow him and have a word with him.
Yo! You realize you cut across 2 lanes, right?
Sorry about that, I never realized because I was gonna, I'm not really used to the place. Sorry about that, man.
I get that. There's a light right here, you could have turned in that though. You could have caused me to T-bone you, dude.
Sorry about
Don't
that.
cross 2 lanes, come on. Alright?
Alright, sorry about that.
Was the driver's action intentional, or was it simply an honest mistake? Check out the quiz in the description and share your answer.
You trying to fight?
Excuse me, I was trying to turn.
You
I
trying
didn't
to
see you
fight?
come over
You
this
trying to
way.
fight, bro?
I really didn't see you come this way.
I'm trying to turn.
While riding the trails, this biker encountered a woman walking a pit bull on long leash in an area normally used only by riders, and shortly after, biker got attacked.
Oh, what is your dog doing, bro? Ow! What the f? Holy shit, dude, that dog just bit the shit out of me. What the f, man? Bro, that dog just bit the piss out of me. Hey, you can't just let your dog bite people. I didn't see you until last second. Why are you mad at me when your dog just bit me?
I'm not mad at you. You're yelling at me for my dog biting and you just got in the street.
I just saw you last second, and I started to slow down. And I said, "Whoa, whoa, whoa!" It's all on camera. I mean, bad. Like he just bent the fire out of me. How am I scary? You gotta control your dog. That's bad, dude. You know that's bad, right? I mean, I could call the cops, I'm sure. Okay. That's crazy. That is the craziest thing that's ever happened to me. Whoa, dude.
You want to see real talent? You can go somewhere.
wrong with you? Did you not see me or something? Did you not see me?
I saw you.
Did you not hear the horn?
That's horn now I heard.
Well, you didn't hear my horn.
No.
Did you not look?
Yes, I did. But
Well,
you
why
didn't
did you keep
pass down.
driving then?
You shouldn't go back down in a road.
Seriously?
The biker in front took a corner too fast and lost control, sliding off the road. Fortunately, he was not seriously injured.
No! 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 Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm chilling, man.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm chilling. How fast were you going? I don't even know. Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Thank you.
There's another one right there. Oh! Whoa! Oh, they're close. I think.
Even after horn was used, the driver remained persistent in his movement and pushed the biker out of the lane. This biker attempted to lane filter at the roundabout, but the move did not go as planned and quickly backfired. A cyclist ran a red light, causing the biker to crash into him. The sudden impact left the biker badly shaken, while the cyclist showed little concern for what had happened.
Are you serious? Sake, man! Come over! Hey! Come over here! You've damaged my bike, man! You've damaged my bike! Come over here! Come here! Come here! Mate, you've damaged my bike, man! Hey! I'm not fighting you, mate. I'm just scared, man.
I tell you, you're scared, guys.
Yeah.
Try yourself, mate. Same as me.
Yeah.
on me. No, my friend, that was my fault.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, mate.
yeah. Let me just check off my bike, okay?
Are you feel alright?
Yeah,
Are you alright?
yeah, I'm fine.
Excuse me, a bike, mate. I was hanging again off the bike if I could go for this, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was in the road, mate. I know it. That was my
Oh.
fault, wasn't it? Was it?
Yeah. I think it's okay. I
Feel,
just,
mate?
yeah.
An impatient driver in silver car could not wait for the biker to pass and cut directly in front of him. Fortunately, the biker was riding at a reasonable speed, which helped prevent a more serious outcome.
Brother, you almost killed me.
I had my turn signal on. Did you see me?
You turn, just because you turn your turn signal on doesn't give you the right to turn, brother. I was right there.
Okay, I apologize. I had my turn signal on. I thought you were going straight.
I was, but you still turned right in front of me.
I'm sorry.
All right,
Sorry.
okay, fair enough. Just a little better eye out, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, I rode for years. I'm sorry.
Hey man, it happens, okay? We'll let it go at that.
Okay.
Thanks, brother.
After being harassed by the red vehicle, this biker got his revenge in the end.
I guess I wasn't going fast enough for him. He tried to pass me on the right. Right here, 2 blocks back.